You spend weeks nurturing a plant in your garden, only to find the leaves developing dark spots and wilting overnight. These symptoms are the result of biological processes that require highly specific conditions to initiate. Disease is the outcome of the environment, rather than a matter of bad luck. Pathogens rely on three specific variables to take hold: lingering moisture on the foliage, stagnant air around the stems, and existing physical stress within the plant. Gather your compost and a watering tool. We are going to build a 7-step organic defense framework designed to eliminate those conditions entirely. Removing the environment disease needs to survive transforms a garden from a fragile state to a resilient one. This defense starts in the garden bed. Soil is a living, highly competitive microbial ecosystem. Adding organic compost introduces beneficial bacteria and fungi that actively outcompete harmful pathogens for nutrients. This biological competition creates a natural defense system underground. Above the soil, overcrowding creates a physical danger. When plants are packed too closely, they trap air and create a humid microclimate where fungal spores thrive. This diagram illustrates the mechanics of airflow. On the left, wind flows freely between spaced plants, keeping them dry. On the right, overlapping leaves block that air, allowing moisture to pool. Maintaining wide spacing ensures that leaves dry quickly after rain or watering. This architectural choice starves fungal diseases of the moisture they require to multiply. Watering from above is a common point of failure. Leaving foliage wet overnight creates an ideal incubation chamber for spores. This cross-section shows the difference. Overhead watering leaves foliage vulnerable, while targeted base watering reaches roots, keeping the plant dry. Step 4 adds an invisible layer of garden security through companion planting. Certain aromatic herbs release volatile compounds that suppress localized soil microbes and repel the pests that transport disease from one plant to another. Using these strategic pairings turns individual plants into a self-protecting community. Pathogens are opportunistic, targeting weakened or stressed organisms, while healthy ones remain resistant. Maintaining consistent sunlight and balanced nutrients maximizes a plant's innate immune response, making it much harder for an infection to begin. If a plant does become infected, the next step is difficult but necessary. You must overcome the natural urge to keep nurturing a failing plant. Extracting an infected plant immediately stops the spread. This act of culling serves as a containment protocol that protects every other plant in your garden. Removing a single unit early ensures the survival of the remaining harvest. Planting the same crop in the same location every year allows species-specific pathogens to accumulate in the soil over time. This map shows how pathogens can become established. Crop rotation disrupts this cycle by starving those pathogens of their preferred hosts. By swapping the geographic locations of your plant families each season, you keep the microbial environment balanced and hostile to disease. This seasonal rotation is the ultimate long-term strategy for maintaining soil health across multiple years. Healthy soil, proper spacing, targeted watering, and rotation interlock to eliminate the environment disease needs to survive. The end result is a vibrant, highly organized garden that naturally maintains its own health with minimal human intervention. Take a notebook outside today and sketch your current layout so you are ready to rotate your beds for the next season. Ultimately, designing your garden as a complete, resilient ecosystem ensures it stays naturally healthy and productive year after year.